Hello, IBC 2025. My name is Jordan Maltby. I'm the CEO of Shadow Magic Studios, a cloud-first script-to-screen production company focusing on independent cinema, as well as the CEO of Dilithium Labs, the makers of Beam Transfer, a next-generation, high-speed, large media file transfer service that works on the Storj network. So, today we are here talking about Storj. Storj has released a new offering that I believe is going to be a game changer, especially for remote media and entertainment workflows. And they call it Production Cloud. So what is Production Cloud? Production Cloud is a seamless fusion of Storj's global distributed object storage and a new piece of software called Object Mount. And as the name implies, it takes the object storage, it takes your cloud and mounts it on your desktop like a hard drive. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've seen some of this stuff before, maybe something with a link or a suite in the name. But this is very, very different in a very key way. Rather than uploading media into a proprietary format that silos it into an environment and basically becomes a single point solution, Storj actually works with object storage directly, no intermediary, which means you're actually working from your cloud archive. It also means that it's compatible with everything else that's compatible with object storage right out the gate. And this, I think, is a game changer. So right now we have a bunch of buckets that are mounted from my object mount. And I'm just going to take a random video file and toss it in here and just sort of simulate the ingest or the upload process. So you can see it maxes out my line speed, super easy, and that's going to be done in about 2 seconds. Okay, so this computer is in Los Angeles. And now I'm going to skip over to this computer, which is in Ireland, on the other side of the pond. So we're going to go over here into this new media folder, and lo and behold, our media file has shown up. And I'm going to hit it and play it back. This is just a product demo video that we were using for Beam Transfer. And as you can see, this is playing back in real time from the cloud. We didn't download it. It's streaming directly from cloud object storage. So this is really, really impressive and really, really cool. So let's take this a step further, because it's not just a desktop-to-desktop collaboration. This is, as I keep saying, your cloud. So if I were to do another solution like Cutting Room, which is a new awesome tool that allows you to actually start editing material in the cloud in a web browser. This actually allows you to take that file that I just uploaded a second ago, just by dragging and dropping it into a drive on my desktop, and play it back. And actually even start editing directly from the cloud. Now, this is the important distinction here, because Object Mount allows this. None of the other competitors do this. So it means that your archive solution is also your collaboration solution, is also the hub for apps that can come to your media and extend that ecosystem to whatever your heart needs or whatever your workflow requires. So let's take this up a notch. I'm going to go over into DaVinci Resolve. You can see here we actually have a project here with a bunch of camera files and stuff. This is a commercial we were working on. And you can see, I'm just going to hit play on this real quick. And we can actually have a full timeline of a full commercial playing back in real time, editing in real time, right here, streaming from the cloud. So this is really, really cool and really impressive. I mean, does it get much cooler than that? Editing from the cloud, working remotely. So let's just say that this project is over. I'm going to go over here and render this out because I can. So this is actually going to be rendering from the cloud. None of this media had been downloaded. It's actually rendering and streaming from the cloud and printing right back to the cloud. So that's pretty slick. So let's take a look at this. So this rendered out. We have a new media file here. And then if I go into, back into, let's just say, Cutting Room, but it could just as easily be a asset manager or Iconic or any other tool that you use for this use case. It's automatically shown up automatically, one might say, shown up, and I can immediately start working with those files in any environment. So thanks very much. I hope you're as excited about this as I am.